What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And it has finally happened. We've been waiting since April after all the rumors and spy shots and a lot of things that we guessed that actually seem to have come true. The new Maserati Ghibli hybrid has been revealed, and it was actually done by an introduction video from Mr. JWW, fellow YouTuber. You guys should check out his content if you haven't already. I know that Maserati definitely entrusts in him as he's done a couple of things for them before. But now we're finally seeing the Maserati Ghibli hybrid after waiting because of the pandemic, it being pushed back from its original April release. So what do we know about the Maserati Ghibli hybrid? Well, this is the brand's first ever electrified car, and it adapts a mild hybrid system. So after the long teaser campaign, it's finally here, and it looks very familiar because it isn't a second generation model, as we're dealing with more of an update of the same sports sedan that's been around since 2014. Now, the biggest news here, obviously, is the representation of the adoption of a mild hybrid powertrain to kickstart the company's electrified agenda. So what do we have under the hood? Well, it's a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and we guessed that because we saw that from the spy shots. And this features an electric supercharger, a 48-volt alternator, and a battery mounted at the back. It produces 330 horsepower at 5750 RPM and 450 newton meters of torque, or 332 pound-feet of torque from 4000 RPM, which helps the Maserati Ghibli hybrid go from 0 to 62 in 5.7 seconds, or 100 kilometers in 5.7 seconds. And it tops out at 158 miles per hour, which is 255 kilometers per hour. Now, if you compare it to the V6 diesel that is available in Europe, it cuts CO2 emissions by 25% and it slashes weight by approximately 80 kilograms or 176 pounds. Now, the power is channeled to the rear axle. We still have the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, and Maserati decided to go for a mild hybrid setup rather than a PHEV. Reason why? They wanted to avoid adding a bigger battery, which would have increased their weight. That said, at 1,950 kilograms or 4,299 pounds, is not necessarily lightweight. Now let's talk about the eco-friendly variant and the exterior changes. Now, Maserati has added blue exterior accents for the 3-side air ducts, the brake calipers, and the Trident logo on the rear pillar. We also have the blue theme that has a correspondent on the inside where the seams come in the same shade. With the Ghibli hybrid, the Italian marquee is also introducing a mild facelift for the sedan, such as updated grille and headlights, along with new taillights. And we knew that the taillights were coming because they were heavily camouflaged in the spy shots. And guys, I'm so excited that they finally changed these taillights since they've been in production with the Ghibli since 2014. They changed the headlights in 2018 with the full LED matrix headlights. Now the taillights finally come with that same energy. And with those taillights, they're a little special because they're a boomerang lightning signature, and they're inspired by the 3200 GT and the Alfieri concept, which is really cool. Now, additional changes can also be found inside of the interior of the 2021 Ghibli, which uses a revamped infotainment system running on Android Automotive, with the display bumped up in size from 8.4 inches to 10.1 inches. And now there's a fully digital instrument cluster replacing the old analog gauges. And while the newly introduced Maserati Connect program updates the software and regularly checks the car for any issues. Finally, Maserati, finally. Now, the Ghibli hybrid heralds Maserati's electrification push, which will continue into 2021 with full electric versions of the next generation Gran Turismo and Gran Cabrio. Meanwhile, you have the highly anticipated MC20 supercar to be revealed in 2 months in September. So now with that said, now with everything you know, what do you guys think about the Maserati Ghibli hybrid? Biggest thing for me is I love the taillights. They look phenomenal. They finally changed them. Also, the infotainment system that bump up from 8 inches to 10 inches, and the digital gauges, which was much needed as well. Maserati finally making some moves that they need to make, but the exterior changes have been very mild. It's pretty much the same car that you're used to, and with the powertrain being a mild hybrid, it's not as fast as some would probably want it to be. But let me know, what do you guys think about the Ghibli hybrid in the comments below. I need to hear from you guys. With that said, if you guys enjoyed the video today and learned something, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the 2021 Maserati Ghibli Hybrid, Maserati's first hybrid vehicle. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, you can check my links down below. I have a one-time link donation for PayPal. You guys can donate $1, $2, $5, no matter what. I appreciate it. You can also become a Patreon subscriber as well, be a monthly subscription there. You can check out the Ron's Rides merch, where you can get Ron's Rides stickers, t-shirts, tank tops, everything like that. Make sure you check that out as well. And follow me on social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. See everything I'm posting, Maserati, Alfa Romeo, and Ferrari. That doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, with that said, guys, be blessed. Subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox as soon as they come out. And we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.